Okay, so perhaps you need a really quick reset while you're in the middle of prepping dinner, waiting for the kettle to boil, whatever. You're in the kitchen and you're just feeling like stiff, sore, you need a release. We're gonna use our kitchen counter in two ways, really simple. You're going to either grab onto the counter with your hands, bend the knees just a little bit. We're gonna think about lifting the sit bones to the sky, and we're gonna just kind of walk ourselves backwards. So grab onto the counter a little bit, and as you reach back with your butt, bend your knees just enough, almost like you're trying to sit in a chair. And you're going to really just start to soften the spine down, let the head maybe hang a little bit here, depending on what you need in those shoulders, or don't need. Rather, you can maybe stay a little more elevated, or if you want a really big release, you're just gonna drop right into it. So you're reaching the butt backwards while holding onto the counter, so you're tractioning that spine, getting into the shoulder. This is a beautiful stretch all the way down into the low back, side body. Okay, so that's option one. If you want to isolate it into the shoulders just a little bit more, prayer hands, elbows on the counter. Okay, roughly the same thing otherwise. So elbows are hooked on the counter. Make sure they don't fall off the counter. And we're gonna start to soften ourselves down. So keep those hands together, let them kind of just travel behind. And we're gonna just sink into it. So this is gonna be a lot deeper on those shoulders. And either version, breath is slow. So if you can, set a timer, maybe go for 60 seconds or so. Or just hold it as long as it takes for your tea kettle to boil. And when you're ready to come out, super slowly use the core, help yourself come out. Come up to standing and just take some shoulder rolls, wiggle it out, shake it out. And there you have it. You are ready to continue on with your day. If you found this to be really helpful, hit that thumbs up button, maybe subscribe to stay tuned for more things that are coming down the way. And if you got an opportunity to practice this one, maybe drop in the comments which version you liked better. Was it the elbows? Were you really keen for the shoulders today? Or did you like that really delicious sort of traction all the way down the spine? I'd love to know which one hit the mark for you. Until next time.